Choosing the right carbide burr set is a critical step in achieving successful cylinder head porting, especially as technology and materials continue to evolve in 2025. The correct tools directly influence the precision of your work, allowing for cleaner cuts and more accurate shaping of the metal. With the right burrs, efficiency is improved, reducing the time and effort required for each job. Ultimately, selecting high-quality carbide burrs leads to better results, ensuring optimal airflow and performance in the finished cylinder head. When selecting carbide burrs, several important factors come into play. Material compatibility is crucial, as different burrs are designed to perform optimally with specific metals, such as aluminum or steel. Durability is another key consideration, ensuring the tool can withstand repeated use without premature wear. Additionally, the type of cut, such as single cut, double cut, or high helix, affects both the speed of material removal and the quality of the finish. By evaluating these aspects, you can choose the most effective burr for your particular application. The SE5 L6 ball-shaped long shank carbide burr stands out for its unique combination of a ball-shaped cutting head and an extended shank. This design allows users to easily reach deep or otherwise inaccessible areas within a cylinder head, making it particularly valuable during intricate porting tasks. Its robust construction ensures both precision and durability, even when working with tough materials. The ball shape is ideal for smooth deburring and shaping, while the long shank offers added maneuverability in confined spaces. Overall, this burr provides a reliable solution for professionals seeking efficiency and accuracy in detailed porting work. The SC5 tungsten carbide burr cylinder shape stands out for its double-cut design, which features intersecting flutes to deliver efficient material removal and a smoother finish. Its construction from heat-treated tungsten carbide ensures exceptional durability and longevity, even under demanding conditions. This burr is versatile, making it suitable for use on both ferrous and non-ferrous metals, including aluminum and soft steel. Its cylinder shape with a radius end allows for precise shaping and porting, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of metalworking applications. Aggressive carbide burrs with a rounded cylinder shape are specifically engineered for rapid material removal, making them highly effective when working with soft metals such as aluminum. Their unique geometry allows for efficient cutting, minimizing clogging and ensuring a smooth workflow. The high-quality tungsten carbide construction enhances durability, enabling these burrs to maintain their sharpness even during demanding tasks. This combination of speed and reliability makes them a preferred choice for professionals seeking to streamline the porting process on softer materials. High helix burrs are distinguished by their unique flute geometry, featuring a steeper helix angle compared to standard burrs. This design allows the cutting edges to engage the material more efficiently, resulting in faster material removal during cylinder head porting. The high helix flutes also help to clear chips away from the work area, reducing clogging and heat buildup. As a result, users experience smoother finishes and improved control, making high helix burrs especially valuable for both rapid stock removal and achieving refined surface quality. Double-cut burrs are characterized by their unique intersecting flute patterns, which set them apart from single-cut designs. This configuration results in a less aggressive cutting action, making them ideal for tasks that require more control and a smoother finish. Because of their reduced tendency to grab or chatter, double-cut burrs are especially well-suited for finishing work on cylinder heads and other precision applications. Their design also helps to break up chips more efficiently, reducing clogging and improving overall workflow. Aluminum-cut burrs are engineered specifically for working with non-ferrous metals such as aluminum. Their unique flute design helps prevent clogging, which is a common issue when machining softer metals. This allows for smooth, efficient material removal without frequent interruptions to clean the tool. By maintaining a clean cutting surface, aluminum-cut burrs ensure consistent performance and a high-quality finish throughout the porting process. Different burr shapes and cuts each serve a unique purpose in cylinder head porting. ball-shaped burrs excel at accessing tight corners and smoothing contours, while cylinder-shaped burrs are ideal for removing material from flat surfaces and straight channels. High helix burrs offer rapid stock removal and a smoother finish, making them suitable for initial shaping. Double-cut burrs provide better control and a finer finish, especially during the final stages of porting. By combining these various burr types in your toolkit, you can efficiently tackle every stage of the porting process, from rough shaping to detailed finishing. When assembling the ultimate carbide burr set for cylinder head porting in 2025, it's important to select a variety of shapes and cuts to handle every stage of the process. Start with a ball-shaped long shank burr for reaching deep or hard-to-access areas, ensuring precise deburring and shaping. Include a cylinder-shaped double-cut burr with a radius end for efficient material removal and smooth finishing, especially on both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. For rapid stock removal on softer metals like aluminum, a rounded cylinder aggressive burr is highly effective. By combining high helix, double-cut, and aluminum-specific burrs, you'll be well equipped to achieve clean, accurate results from rough shaping through to final finishing. To ensure your carbide burrs deliver optimal performance and last as long as possible, it's important to follow a few key maintenance practices. Always clean your burrs after each use to remove metal shavings and debris, which can dull the cutting edges over time. Store them in a protective case or organizer to prevent accidental damage and keep them dry, as moisture can lead to corrosion. When using carbide burrs, apply consistent, moderate pressure and avoid forcing the tool, which can cause premature wear. Additionally, matching the burr type to the material and application will help maintain sharpness and efficiency throughout their lifespan. Watching live demonstrations is an invaluable way to understand how different carbide burrs perform during cylinder head porting. These videos provide a clear view of tool handling, material removal rates, and the quality of the finish achieved in real-world scenarios. Reliable demo videos can often be found on specialized tool retailer websites, manufacturer YouTube channels, and forums dedicated to automotive machining. By observing these demonstrations, viewers gain practical insights into burr selection and technique, helping them make more informed decisions for their own projects. Selecting the right carbide burrs is essential for achieving precise and efficient cylinder head porting, especially with the advancements in tool design available in 2025. High-quality burrs not only improve the accuracy of your work, but also enhance durability and overall performance. Watching live demonstrations can provide valuable insights into proper techniques and help you choose the most effective burr shapes for your specific needs. By investing in reliable tools and staying informed through expert guidance, you can ensure optimal results and prolong the life of your equipment.